right, today we're gonna bring two indoor or outdoor cameras. If you guys can see that, these are heavy duty, so they're gonna last you quite a while on the charge. But look at this, the size of my palm almost. The actual solar panels, they're gonna soak up a lot of the sun. They're gonna transmit into a type C into it, and you're gonna be able to capture. You get the solar panel here. You get a a micro SD card that you plug in, type C connection, the reset button, and the power on button, right? Because right now out of the box, they're off. You got to manually move them on, and you got to program them, all right? So we are going to set these two up. These mounts actually just slide in there, and that's pretty much it. And they give you a quick guide so you could get the app, all right? And I almost forgot about the actual solar panels. They have a screw-in area, and these are adjustable, right? They don't move left or right. They just up and down, all right? That's pretty much it. All right, I have these cameras. So they're called, the app is ManView Cloud, all right? My suggestion, don't do it when they're already up there. Make sure you turn it on when the bottom. Power's on. We're gonna add a camera. All right, it's asking us what type of camera. Sometimes it comes up automatically. If you guys can see that, just make sure that you got that blue going. If you don't know which camera it is, it's always tells you different models in here, right? We're gonna see single Wi-Fi, select, and it is blinking. Hit next. I agree. Next. Go to settings. We see the system here has a serial number. Connect to it. Obtaining IP address. We're logged into it. Now we're able to go into the actual phone, but we're also program connected at this time. Now we're going to go back. Now it's connecting. Now it's going to ask us to log into our network.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
So we got one camera connected to the Wi-Fi. That was an easy task, right? So once going on, you just got to wait a couple minutes. And once it's set up, we're going to go ahead and set up the second one. Right, so I set them up here. There's one right here directly to this thing here, opening door, because I have stuff in there that I want to make sure. I want to keep an eye on it all the time, and I do have the solar panel adjusted. All right, I'm going to show you the application I use. All right, we're going to open it up, and we're going to go into one of the cameras, this one right here. We're going to show you a little bit more features on there. Right? On this camera, I want to see my entrance, pretty much my side entrance. Anybody that comes in, anybody that goes out. You got alerts, replay, lights, and then you got sirens, talk mode, on mode, and then you got your audio so you can listen in, your microphone, and then the recording, and then pictures too. So if you guys can hear some sounds that go through, you can hear them through there. I'm capable of handling a couple of things through here. Like I said, I control the light. You could control visualization of who walks in and alert you. So you could share this, and it's very simple to set up with the application and the controllers and everything. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
All right, so we're testing the audio on the camera, and this is the stage